Rogue drones today pose a serious threat to military and high-security establishments.
Introduce Oxygen 2 Innovations anti-drone system delivers complete 360-degree surveillance with drone detection up to 2.5 kilometers. The system uses intelligent zonal scanning to instantly detect threats in restricted areas and continuously tracks identified drones in real time, ensuring zero blind spots. Advanced AI algorithms accurately classify real threats while ignoring distractions such as birds or other flying objects. For every detected drone, the system provides precise latitude, longitude, and altitude, enabling accurate soft-kill and hard-kill operations. All mission footage and activity logs are securely saved for future analysis and evidence. Oxygen 2 Innovation, securing the skies. Visit our website today and connect with us to start your journey.